How's it going? What I am going to do is put together a few series of videos with a lot of different subjects to do with exercise and sports science, and hopefully help you guys out that have been asking a few questions: how to do warm-up, how to prepare for a race, proper running technique, proper cycling technique, all that sort of thing with the biomechanics, and hopefully help you guys out a little bit. You know, at the end of each video, obviously I'll ask for a like and a thumbs up, and you can make some comments or whatever about what you would like to hear in each video as we make the series. So today I'm just out here in an oval at the moment. Going to go through a couple of warm-up drills for running specific drills, but in saying that, you can do these drills in just about any sport to warm up, but it particularly focuses on running technique and the right technique that you should be using in your running. So what we'll do, I'll set the camera up to the side and just go through a few drills and show you the right techniques involved and why you do those techniques, and I'll talk you through the process. Important to warm up properly before any sort of exercise. So you'll read a lot of things or hear a lot about doing stretches before warm up. So static stretching isn't the right thing to do. Dynamic stretching, which is movement, is the way that you should be warming up. Getting that range of movement with your joints and muscles and letting them actually warm up and get the blood flowing through them before performing exercise is the correct way to do it. Static stretching should be done after the exercise to keep those muscles nice and long and prevent injury or further injury if you've got an injury already happening. So we'll take you through the process on how you should be warming up the correct way, and you can be doing these before you go out for each run, or you could be doing them on a daily basis if you want to just get better at that technique for running. So we'll take you through those now. Just going to start off with doing some dynamic stretching. So what you want to do is pull your knee towards your chest, lifting your knee up nice and high, and keep that movement going. So you want the blood flowing through the muscles to be able to warm up. You don't want to statically hold those, but just keep moving, and do around 10 on each side. So we're now going to do the front half of the body, so the anterior side of the legs, pulling the foot up towards your butt cheeks and pointing your knee towards the ground to be able to get a good stretch there through the thigh. Again, you want to do around 10 on each side. And the importance in all these is to just keep moving. Don't statically hold the stretch. Next one, this one's really good for the piriformis muscle, which is in your butt, and often overlooked by a lot of athletes. It causes a lot of back pain if you don't look after it, so it's important to do this stretch. And you want to particularly take emphasis on not twisting the knee. You just want to be able to bring the leg up with the foot on the inside, but not twist the knee there as you pull up onto the leg. The upper half of the body now, just range of motion there through the shoulders, which is stretching the deltoids and the triceps, biceps, getting those joints moving through the shoulders and elbows. You want to go back, until it feels comfortable, back as far as you can there. And again, some circles, so range of motion there. Try and get back as far as you can with those rotations. I haven't got much flexibility there to be able to get back very far, never have. I probably should be doing a little bit more stretching on the interior side of the body and a little bit more strength work on the back half of the body. So these ones, you're going for a lunge into a high knee lift. Just remember to move opposite arm to opposite leg as if you're running, and really drive that knee up forward as if you're going to do a high jump. That's the exact motion you want there. Again, 10 on each side, so swapping sides and go to the other. Opposite arm, opposite leg, driving that knee forward. You can put a little bit more of a stretch on that if you become a little bit better, and emphasis on the calf by going on your toes. So marching drill. So this is just a basic drill, just arm movement, as if you're running, keeping your knees nice and high, bringing your foot down underneath the body and scraping it through as if you're wiping something off the bottom of your shoe. So you want to keep your head looking forward, you don't want to look down, you want to keep upright. And just concentrate on that running technique where you don't cross the hands over the center line of the body. This is a variation of that drill where you pause at the top of each knee lift, and that just gives a little bit more of a stretch through to the calf muscle. Again, you should try and keep on your toes more than on the heels in these drills, and just concentrate on keeping your arms in alignment with your shoulders, and don't bring your hands across the center line of the body. This drill, try and keep upright. Again, it's just those same drills as you just did, but now we're moving through in a forward motion. Try and keep feet on the ground for minimum contact when doing these plyometric drills. Butt kicks, bringing your feet up to your bottom, driving those hands back. So you want your wrists or your hands to be by your hips as they come through, and up no higher than the shoulders. It's a good idea when doing any of these to have a 2-to-1 rest ratio. So as you do one lap, rest for twice as long and then go for the next. Okay, high bounding knee lifts. So I'm probably bounding a little bit too far forward in these, but really what you want to do is drive those legs up as high as you can. Now skipping motion, again driving that knee up as high as you can while skipping on the ground, minimum contact. With any of these plyometric drills, just remember, minimum contact on the ground is what you're looking for here, the explosive movements. Long power skips, you want to be able to try and propel the body forward as far as possible through these ones. Again, driving those arms forward, which is going to propel the body forward with the legs. Two feet long jumps. These first set here will go up one way where it's a more of a static landing where you pause in that crouched position before going through to the next jump. As I mentioned, those exercises can be done before doing any sort of running, and you can also use them for other sports such as soccer, football, tennis, basketball, cycling, triathlon, any of those sorts of things. There's a lot of different plyometric drills out there, or running drills, or cycling specific drills, but those ones are my favorite for running, and I hope that you get to use them and don't get any injuries in the future, or at least not as many injuries as what you have in the past if you've been getting injuries. It's very important to be able to warm the body up, or to warm the body up before exercise, and get that blood flowing through to the joints, through to the muscles, and help the body to be able to perform what it needs to do in your training or in competition. So yeah, if you guys like those videos, like that video, please give me a thumbs up, and in the comments below, just let me know how you felt, whether I should do more of those videos, what you'd like to see in any of the videos in the future, and I'll try and get one of those videos out at least once a week and help you guys out any way I can, whether it be talking about the energy systems that the body needs, refueling the body, absolutely anything to do with any sort of sport or physical activity. I should be able to get the resources there to you guys and help you out. So yeah, hope you all liked it. Once again, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and just let us know what you thought. Cheers.